Viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Critics there with once again, people. Hope everybody alright. Hope everybody doing good. Yes, so me I say enough for them side of the world. People, as you can see, Stylo G me come to talk about. Yes, so me I say, oh lad. Yes, so me I say, so people, Stylo G drop a new song. Oh, before we get into it, make sure you say subscribe to the channel. Yes, so me I say, especially the newcomers, make sure you ring the bell icon. That way you get the instant notification each time Dancehall Critics put out a content. You see me? People, me know say everybody aware of the whole issue with Lisa Mercedes, Vybz Kartel and Stylo G. You see me I say, and I believe that Sanya come to show some jabs at both Vybz Kartel and I guess I say MX Baby Mother, but check out the snippet, people. You see the way how Stylo G start that song, you know so much word at somebody. First of all, I could take a look at the symbolism in the song. Or not just the song, but the visuals rather. You get the man say, people, you see the man wear a crown on him head. You saw me say, people, remember say when Vybz Kartel they do one of him album them, him have the crown the way, of course, him proclaim himself to be the king of dancehall and all of these things. Right there, so to me, is a taunting symbolism to Vybz Kartel. You saw me say, people, of course, in connection to the whole, you know me I said the whole this them where I go back and forth with leak voice note and all of them things. They say Stylo G eat pum pum and lick out bottom and all of them something there. And you don't know the whole saga with Kartel and Kartel a style the man to and beer things. You see, you so me I say, people, you get what me I say? So as a result now, Stylo G decides boy, I'm not going to worry about it, you know, I'm not going to kill up myself. Me I go take it to them in a music form or in a music fashion. You see me I say, people, because this like me saying, people, the whole symbolism as far as like the crown. Stylo G basically I try to say, yo dog, and me are really the king. And in fact, what him of course I proclaim is being the king of the UK or the European dancehall king, so to speak. You see me I say, and I you see Stylo G did even make all a post and say, yo, just give me 5 more years or something like that. You see me I say, and me are the king for everything. Me are the overall king, both yard and abroad and everywhere. You see me I say, so basically him a try tell Kartel, say Kartel, you are no king for me then. And that him a say, no people. You get what me I say? And me go get into it a little bit more. Drop your comment below and tell me what you think. And people, one of the things that I also want to point out in the very beginning of the song as well, you know, people, is the fact that yo, is when Stylo G mentions say yo, Jordan, my style different, step out pan them pepper hat. See, I guess him didn't make the referencing as a Vybz Kartel sauce done and him have the whole pepper pot. You see me I say, people, I want to know if you tell me what you think about that particular interpretation. You see me I say, tell me if you believe that there's some degree of accuracy in that interpretation, the viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel while you're at it too. You see me I say, like the thing, share the thing, you don't know. Comment. You see me I say, people, make me know what you think, because if you think about it, you know, Vybz Kartel thing them not shot, or as far as him views them is not the same. Of course we know say yo it not gonna remain the same the more him there behind bars. But of course him team been trying and do them thing, and that Vybz Kartel still has the numbers, but of course now say the numbers them like him used to. You see me I say, could that be the case where him a met that insinuation say boy dog and my style at you now, funa thing, funa sauce done, and me have the whole pepper pot. You see me I say? And me have the real remedy for the girl them. And me have a real remedy for the music. Cause that's why the man say, yo, my style different, you know. Me no business, but also man want to say them a legend and them a this and them a that. You see me I say, people? So again, this is another way of showing jobs at Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. You see me I say, people? More want you to tell me what you think. Tell me if the reason is on point as far as I'm point out. You see me I say, I show the man I show jobs at Kartel, so say Kartel sauce done. And me have a whole pepper. Then Stylo G went on further to say, yo, dog, money I make even if me take a nap, Kartel. You see me I say? So right there, so you man I dash it in him face. I say, Kartel, you can't in a no better position than me. Boy, you there behind. You think say true, you there behind boys, you make more money than me, Kartel. And no matter how much style you style me, G, you or Lisa can't come go around me thing or come style up me thing no way. Because money I make left, right and center. You see me I say, people? Then the man went further for this Lisa Mercedes and I say, yo, Kartel, your wife up a little butter years girl. That's the insinuation of people. Your wife up a little butter years girl. When he met the mentioning, say, yo, your wife up a girl will take more meal than a letterbox. You see me I say, people? So right, this a straight this to both Lisa and Kartel. And Stylo G now go on like say my shape or fight. Remember, I know people, think about the time when all of this are going right now. It's the perfect time to drop this song, yeah. And of course, the enemy them hear it. You see me as a people? Because of course, we see say, yo, jobs have been shown at Stylogy. You know me I say, remember I say the league thing drop out. Remember I say other songs, True Award and all of them things. So a Stylogy time. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like that song, yeah. That song is bad. Oh Lord. And people, another keen observation when we did kind of, you know, discover or pick up on was, you know, me so when the man say, yo, make a mention in a one I part them in a song, say, yo, and then me light up my spliff like Kalanji. And then you see the whole video show a little black eye image. You know me I say, me don't know if at that point that's also another taunting referencing. You know me I say, and when I say taunting meaning right there, so maybe Stylogy assume him alliance with Alkaline. Because the black eye there is the thing where Cartel don't like. You know me I say? Are the only referencing, you know me I say, are the connection to Cartel's worst nemesis. Because I know just Mavado a Cartel big enemy. Alkaline is as well. You see me as a people, me don't know if my observation and my interpretation as a result is on point. I want you to tell me what you think. That could also be a thing. If you think about it. Cartel no like a black eye. And then remember to, you know, Alkaline and, remember say Alkaline and Popcorn are good. Stylogy and Popcorn did all a show this word and all of them things over social media. People don't see the connection. So maybe the man I use a little black eye image, you know, for taunt him enemies them. Because if you think about the connection, Alkaline is the Ungo man who have had black eye. And him are the Ungo man too. Where, you know me I say, is currently beefing or always be not good or always in a feud with Cartel and a Popcorn. Because you don't know the state of the relationship. You see what I say? Could that be a way of taunting his enemy in other part there? Symbolically. You see what I say, people? Because remember I say no Cartel no like Alkaline. And Popcorn wasn't like Alkaline. Me never hear of Stylogy and Alkaline have the problem. But right now we have Sister Cartel and Popcorn. No Cartel and Popcorn are war with Stylogy. And no secret no viewers and subscribers. So maybe it's a case where symbolically seeing the taunting come as a result of say, oh, we have similar enemies then. So we are just use this to play upon them. You know what I say? Tell me what you think, viewers, subscribers. I just reason we are reason. You get me I deal with? Essentially, you know, viewers and subscribers. Stylogy basically I point out the facts of your dog. Every style of me drop, it hard, it shot. You see what I say? So there's really nothing what Mercedes or Cartel can do for basically stop my flow, stop my progression. Essentially. You see what I say? If you look around me, be a girl there around me, a whole pack girl. Because once me drop this, once me drop that, a big girl flap me. Because them love my style. I always clean, I always fresh. You see what I say? And not to mention, I run London, dog. London is my place. And that's why the man say, yo, you have to at least spend 10 years in a London for, you know what I say, kind of get your pints up. Or get your stripe, so to speak. I guess in a females, you know what I mean? But me get to him, I say. And him make you know, say, yo, dog, my stamping ground is. London is my place. You see me? So, nobody come go and like you know and go around the thing. And if me like London, I know say a whole heap of European girl me have. You see me I say, people? But like I say, Stylogy I make them know say, yo, dog, my thing them always I gotta do. You know what I say, I gotta do well. Because right now, it reach a point where me make some strategic move. You see me I say, and it a work, and it has worked, and it a work for me even more. You see me I say, that's why man say even the whole world now as a Stylo. Because him do this a collaboration, he make another tactical move over there, so you see me I say, and of course people can't deny the fact that your Stylogy is a solid artist, in my opinion. You know me I say, him rhyme scheme and point, or him rhyme in pentameter, the way him sound, him have a good voice as well. You see me I say, I just feel like say him have all the lyrics for, you know me I say, for back him claim. Or for support the thing then. Or even for support what me I say then. I'm not gonna lie to you, I cannot go around that. Stylogy been a do him thing in Europe. I've whole heap of collaboration with European entertainers and all of these things. So I have to give him props in that regard, because him been international already. So him come a yard now for kind of, you know, I say, create a different buzz for himself. To get that attention from a different part of the world. So kudos to Style Up on that one, yeah. Big up on yourself, everybody, for listening to it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the Why Samly 5. You saw me I say Andre and Tara's World, Peaceful Ambition. You saw me I say, and of course, Akira's view. Big up on yourself, people. Like me say, subscribe, like, comment, and share for help the algorithm people. I Dancehall Critics people. And I'm out.